Welcome to my channel PSYCH Degree. Humans aren't the only species capable of aggression. In fact, aggression is a common trait in the animal kingdom, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. But where does this behavior come from? How has it evolved over time? Today, we're going to explore the evolution of aggression. Before proceeding into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Aggression is often defined as behavior that is intended to cause harm to another individual. However, it's important to note that not all aggressive behavior is the same. There are different types of aggression, and they can serve different purposes. For example, some aggression is used to establish dominance or maintain social order, while other aggression is used for self-defense or protecting one's territory. To understand the evolution of aggression, we need to go back in time, to when life on Earth first began. One of the earliest forms of life was single-celled organisms, and while they didn't display aggression in the same way that we understand it, they did compete with each other for resources. As life evolved and became more complex, so did aggression. Invertebrates like insects and crustaceans display a wide variety of aggressive behaviors, from territorial disputes to aggressive mating rituals. In mammals, aggression is often used to establish dominance within a social group. This can be seen in species like wolves, where the alpha male and female assert their dominance over the rest of the pack. Primates, including humans, also display complex social hierarchies, where aggression is used to establish and maintain one's place in the group. This can be seen in chimpanzees, who engage in aggressive displays like chest beating and baring their teeth to assert dominance. Aggression in humans is particularly complex, as it is influenced by a wide variety of factors, including genetics, environment, and social conditioning. It's also important to note that not all human aggression is physical in nature. Verbal aggression, like name-calling or insults, can also be a form of aggression. So why has aggression evolved in these different species? Well, one explanation is that it can be an effective way to compete for resources. For example, if two male lions are fighting over a territory, the winner will have access to more food and mating opportunities. In this sense, aggression can be seen as a way to ensure survival and reproduction. Another explanation is that aggression can be a way to establish and maintain social order. In a group of primates, for example, aggression can help establish a hierarchy where individuals know their place in the group and behave accordingly. This can help reduce conflict and ensure the group functions effectively. While aggression can serve a purpose, it's important to note that it can also have negative consequences. In humans, aggression can lead to physical harm, mental health issues like anxiety and depression, and social problems like bullying and violence. As we continue to evolve and our societies become more complex, it's important to consider the potential consequences of aggression and find ways to manage and reduce it. This can include interventions like therapy and anger management classes, as well as broader societal changes like reducing inequality and providing access to resources for all individuals. Now let's take a closer look at some of the specific factors that have influenced its development over time. One important factor is genetics. Different species have evolved to display varying degrees of aggression based on their survival needs. For example, some animals, like lions or chimpanzees, have evolved to be more aggressive as a means of securing food, territory, or mating opportunities. Other species, like pandas, have evolved to be less aggressive, as their survival needs can be met through other means. Another important factor is environment. The availability of resources, competition for those resources, and the need to defend against predators have all influenced the evolution of aggression. For example, a species that lives in an environment with scarce resources or frequent predation may have evolved to be more aggressive in order to survive. Social conditioning is another important factor in the evolution of aggression. In many species, including humans, individuals learn to display aggressive behavior through observing and mimicking the behavior of others. This social conditioning can be influenced by a wide variety of factors, including upbringing, cultural norms, and media portrayals. It's also important to note that aggression isn't always a negative behavior. In some cases, aggression can be a means of self-defense, protecting one's territory or loved ones, or standing up against injustice. For example, peaceful protests can involve aggressive displays like loud chants or physical barriers, but they are aimed at creating positive change in society. In addition to the potential negative consequences of aggression, it's also worth noting that there are many positive alternatives to aggression that can be used to resolve conflicts or assert dominance. Communication, negotiation, and compromise are all effective strategies that can help individuals or groups achieve their goals without resorting to violence or aggressive behavior. In conclusion, aggression is a complex and multifaceted behavior that has evolved in a variety of species over time. While it can serve a purpose in establishing dominance and maintaining social order, it can also have negative consequences, particularly in humans. By understanding the evolutionary origins of aggression and its potential consequences, we can work towards managing and reducing it, and creating a more peaceful and equitable society. Well friends, that's all in this video. Hope you liked it. Once again, don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.